Today we're going to be making the viral dot cakes, but we're going to put a little spin on it. I went and found all of the ingredients at Dollar Tree, and the best part is the cake actually only requires 2 ingredients. So you're going to go to Dollar Tree and you're going to grab yourself a pack of these rainbow sprinkles. These are usually over by the party aisle. You're also going to grab a pack of these mini plastic bowls. Comes with 6 in them. You're also going to grab a box of vanilla cake mix. You can also get the yellow cake mix if you prefer. And you're going to need some frosting. They have different colors. They also have cream cheese, but I just went with a regular vanilla. What you're going to do is you're going to get home and you're going to pour the cake mix into a bowl. And you're not going to follow the directions on the box. You do not need any oil or eggs or water. Instead, you just need a can of soda. And since this is white cake mix, you can use any clear soda. And I ended up using a can of Sprite Zero. So you're going to need 12 ounces of any sort of clear soda. You can use ginger ale. You can use whatever you have on hand. Just don't use a dark color soda because it will change the color of the cake. But you're going to add your soda. Yes, it's okay for it to fizz like this. And you're going to mix it really well. Mix it until it's just lightly clumpy. And trust me on this, if you've never made a 2-ingredient cake, it is the easiest way to make a cake without any extra ingredients, especially if you don't have any eggs or oil on hand. So once all of this is mixed really well, you're going to put it into a cake pan. Make sure that you lightly grease the cake pan. I just use some olive oil spray at the bottom of my pan. Otherwise, the cake is going to stick and it won't be as easy to make the dot cakes. So here I am just spraying my pan. And then you're going to pour your mixture evenly into the pan. You're going to bake this at 350 for about 30 minutes, but keep an eye on it. Your oven may not take as long or it may take a little longer. Now, while that's baking, here is my little trick and hack to making your frosting taste even better. Take your frosting out of the original container and put it into a bowl, and you're going to whip it using an electric hand mixer. Trust me, it makes your frosting taste so much better. It makes it light and fluffy, and it actually makes it seem like you have more than a single container. So a single container can definitely make enough of these little mini dot cakes. So just make sure you whip it. It takes a few minutes to do that, but you'll start to see that it starts to get very airy and fluffy, and it's just as really good. It honestly tastes more like a bakery style frosting. So once this is all mixed really well, you can set this aside. And then while your cake is cooling, you can dump out the rainbow sprinkles onto a small plate like this. You just want to spread them out as even as you can. And then once your cake is actually cooled, you can take one of your mini plastic bowls and you can stick it inside of the cake like this. You're going to kind of shimmy it back and forth until the cake releases in the bottom and it goes right into the bowl. Now you can leave it like this, or you can smush it down into the bowl like I did here, and then you can add a layer of frosting and then do it again to add more cake. So you can have layered cake, or you can just leave the cake as is. I decided to put a little bit of frosting in between and then dip it back into the cake so that it was a thicker amount of cake inside of each bowl. But these little bowls worked perfectly, and it makes cleanup so easy. So once you have it frosted, you can either dip it directly into the sprinkles at this point, or again, dip it back into the cake so you can have another layer of cake. So I ended up adding another layer of cake, and then from there you can just dip it right into your rainbow sprinkles, and you have your own dot cake that was made from Dollar Tree ingredients.